Hey, so I'm out here at the Newburyport train station. I just thought I'd do a bit of a good video and somewhat better quality. I'm just trying to make the best of it. And right now I'm just on my bike, biking in the parking lot like this. And yes, I have blue lights on my bike. It's kind of cool. You ever decide to put lights on your bike? Now's the time to do so. And I'm going to show you the train right now. And if you need to be here, or if you need to be somewhere else, you can take the train all the way to Boston, or maybe even to Haverhill. I'm going to show you right now. Even before it leaves. Maybe see it, but it's a little bit of dark, so I'll try to get closer. Right about there. Oh, that train. Like I said, if you need to be somewhere, now's the time to be here at Newburyport train station. And if you need some place to hang out, you can hang out at this place. Yep, if you can just see that sign, yeah. It's kind of a little hidden spot, so basically you need to be there. And look how empty this train is. Very empty indeed. Oh yeah, so empty. It's like there's lights off in the front part of the train. Crazy as it is. Always gotta have the T symbol. Always. And you got the open sign for that restaurant. And there's a close-up look. That's the name of it, so just be alert on that. And yeah, we'll just keep going with this until more it gets to be. Just biking still in the parking lot. Nothing spectacular. No, be prepared for another video for tomorrow. There's gonna be a race, and I got a feeling it's gonna be crazy. It's probably like one of those 2K, 5K races. And if any of you do any running, you get some exercise, show up at the race, and I'll be there. I don't know exactly where it is, but you'll find out by tomorrow. And look how empty this parking lot is. Whew. Very much lighting, so low. Yep. Not that quite bright enough, but it'll do. So, yeah! Look at me bike around, yeah! Check out my lights. Very blue. Let's check out the other parking lot, see how good it is. See if we can get to the other side. I hope. Mind the wind, it's a little bit windy. Bit of a breeze. And cars are parked everywhere. If you want to have some fun, play the beanbag game right here. It's always fun to play. Going up the bridge. Always gotta be careful. Really careful. Major careful. Oh yeah, totally careful. I was very careful. Yeah, if you're gonna wonder, I have a bit of a cold. It's not that bad. So, just go with it. And here's where you can see where your schedule is on this very sign. Always check that out. And now for the other parking lot. Totally damn well empty. And notice how the train is still all the way back there, still waiting to drop other passengers off. Notice how it never gets to this part, because it never will. I don't know why, it just won't. And yes, it is dark out. Still not very much lighting. Some of these lights almost look like a bright golden moon. But not these lights. They're all typical gold. Some darker, some lighter than others. So we'll just do a quick continue and see how well we do. But you can always take the train once again to Boston or any other city part, as this train still waits. You can see the back of her, it's got 2 red lights. And if you've ever been here, or if it's your first time taking this train, now's the time to show up. And never be nervous while getting on this train. Never, ever be nervous. Here's a quick look. Support the America! It's loud! Woo! Well, I guess all the passengers are off. I don't see any. Yep, all passengers are off. I think this train might either go back to Boston or park somewhere way over there. But who knows where. And if you want to get your daily newspaper, right there. Always pick up your daily news. And if any of you read the newspaper, sometimes I do. Or let me know what newspaper you read. Give me a couple of responses. And where else do you like to bike to? And if you like biking in parking lots, or if any of you skateboarders out there just like to skateboard in parking lots and do some couple of tricks, maybe an ollie or two, give me a couple of more responses than that. And maybe send me a couple of tricks. Maybe I can learn something. And any bike tricks, anything possible. So, and here's where the train's probably gonna leave right off from here all the way down to where those red and green lights are. Or even past it. Yes, the train goes pretty damn far. But like I said, it stops all the way to Boston, so pretty much cool. You take the Boston train back here or wherever else you need to be. And if you need a schedule, you can always pick up the schedule right here where you need to be. If you can just see that a little bit up close, kind of blurry, but it says Raleigh and Newburyport and a bit of Beverly. Yeah, that's your whole train schedule if you need to take it. And a couple of map, and if where you need to get your directions to, and so on. If you need your parking lot, west route. Always good to park a car, and who knows what will happen. And I think this parking lot's empty too. Yep. So that's that. And the train is still here, waiting, but I think all the passengers are gone. So, and here's where you can check your time. Boom, and the date. Let's see if it'll turn next. Nope, just that. Okay, I'm gonna end this video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you'll be seeing that another video for tomorrow, like I said, for races and so forth. I got a feeling that race will be intense, but I think from what I said, it might be a 2K, so be prepared for that. it's gonna be a major, crazy race. I'll see you tomorrow. Deuces!